Page. I'm Michael Gray, and today I'm picking up where we left off on our discussion about all of the etheric energies and the types and functions of these ethers in our universe. I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for more videos to come. Chemical ether is found in all inorganic molecules such as rock and water and fire. Only living things have vital energy, and it is not surprising to discover that closely connected to the vital ether is the colorless solar ether, or solar fluid, which pours through the center of the vessel of the etheric body. The vital ether is the specific pathway for the specialization of this solar fluid. Now, just as there exists a universal vital fire or macrocosm called the vital spirit, which is the Christ principle, there also exists visible macrocosmic magnetism seen with the etheric sight as a kind of rain that appears to fall in slanted lines toward the earth. Many people have witnessed this fall of cosmic force without knowing what they were seeing. It is not the same as the cosmic rays of modern science. Although, since the sun is a star, and stars are all suns, so there is no reason to assume that this solar ether does not include forces emanating from distant stars and nebulae, as well as from our sun matter. And light imply electromagnetic phenomena, and so does life, as biologists are now discovering the so-called sexual force is generated in the vital ether as the solar or cosmic force precipitates. Through the vessel, the cosmic magnetic rain is colorless like water, and just as rain consists of separate drops of water, this magnetic rain consists of separate units of force. Moreover, it has an affinity with water, and Mesmer discovered that the oceans are charged with what he called solar magnetism, and the same is true of lakes, rivers, and streams. Of course, the human body, highly magnetic, reveals its origin in the primordial seas and the fact that it is more than 80% water. Mesmer also said that the sun was a great yar, which modern astronomy now verifies the boundaries of astronomy. Today, plants are rich in vital ether, just as certain animal products, such as fresh cow's milk still warm from milking. Most human needs are satisfied through the consumption of plant foods to which magnetism enters via the vessel. One day, humans will no longer need to sustain themselves with plant foods, but will receive sustenance directly from the cosmic energy field itself. The universal magnetism precipitates through the vessel to the seed atom of the vital body located in the solar plexus. From there, it makes its way through the body, routing through the nerves. Without these magnetic currents, the body could not function and would be inert, like an electrical machine. With the current turned off the activity of the vital body. Separating the solar fluid is audible to the etheric ear as a constant hum, and the vortices of force are clearly felt. The keynote of this activity is set by the sonorous flame burning in the medulla oblongata, which in turn strikes the keynote of the archetype. When the ego desires action, it causes the brain to specialize large amounts of this energy, which is poured into the muscles, forcing action. The millions of mouths in the vital body that absorbs solar energy.